What's going on, guys? Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to install our retractable bed step for 2019 and newer model Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. With that said, let's get into it. Introducing our retractable bed step for 2019 and newer model Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. Our retractable bed step makes it easy to hop up into the bed of your truck regardless of the circumstances. The step tucks up and out of the way when not in use, and you can easily extend it by stepping down on the pad when your hands are full and effortlessly retract it when done. Designed with convenience and durability in mind, this low-profile step makes it convenient to access the bed day in and day out. Whether you're loading gear, reaching for tools, or simply hopping into the bed, this is the simple upgrade your truck's been missing. The procedure outlined in this video is for 2019 and newer model Ram 2500 and 3500 trucks. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it. First step, we're gonna grab the larger bracket that has the 3 holes here on the bottom, and that's gonna line up with the 3 holes you see here on the step mechanism. For these 2 top holes, you're gonna use the 13mm combination bolts that have the washer and lock washer pre-installed. The one on the bottom here is going to be the slightly smaller 13mm bolt, and you're just going to have to take your lock washer and flat washer and install those separately. These 3 here we can now tighten down. On the side of the bracket we just installed, you're going to notice these 2 threaded holes. Those are going to line up with these slots on this bracket here, and it's going to go on in this configuration like so, with 2 more of the combination bolts. These we're just going to leave hand tight until we tighten all the rest of the hardware down later in the install. Now we got the step pad itself, we're just gonna flip that over. You'll notice 2 C channels here on the back side. We're gonna take these T-bolts and install 2 of them in each channel. On the step mechanism, you're gonna notice this square here that has 4 slots. We're just gonna take the T-bolts in these channels and line them up where one of the T-bolts goes in each of those slots. And then we're just gonna take a flat washer and locking nut and just install those onto each T-bolt. And again, this is just gonna be hand tight at this time. Okay, so we're over here on the driver's side rear bumper, and we're gonna be working in this corner here. So before we mount our step pad, we're gonna have to remove a couple of factory bolts, and we're gonna be reusing them to actually mount the brackets. So the first bolts we're gonna need to remove are gonna be these 2 24mm bolts here, and then we're gonna remove these 2 16mm bolts. Depending on your truck, the mounting location for the step may look slightly different to what is seen here, though the hardware and steps for installation are the same. We'll move on to these 16mm bolts. Before you mount the step, go ahead and move this big connector out of the way. Just pull it free from the mounting clip and push it aside. Once we know we're not going to pinch anything and we got our harnesses out of the way, we can bring our mechanism up here and start aligning our brackets. We're going to start with the 2 16mm bolts that we removed, and we're still going to leave these just hand tight at this time. Okay guys, before we reinstall our two 24mm bolts, we're gonna go ahead and grab this large flat washer and install that onto the bolt that mounts in the top location. Now we can thread in our two 24mm bolts. Just remember, the one that we installed the large flat washer on is gonna go in the top position. Now we can proceed with tightening down our 24mm bolts. Then we'll move on to tightening down the 16mm bolts over here. Now there's the two more of the 13mm combination bolts for the support bracket here. So lastly, we'll just tighten those down. So the last thing we're gonna do for the install is adjust our step pad. Again, like I said before, it adjusts 4 ways. Any way you want it, you can go ahead and set it, and then we'll snug down our 13mm bolts on the bottom. Guys, that is going to conclude it for this install. As you can see, it's a super easy and quick way to add some serious convenience to your truck. If you want to get one for your truck or check out any of our other awesome products, head on over to Boost Auto Parts today. With that said, we will catch you guys in the next one. The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you in the next one.